Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk to you about the airdrop tutorial. Grass Airdrop, a how to earn 100x free AI Crypto DePin Airdrops for 2024. Okay guys, right now I am on the site where you have to log in to sign up for the airdrop. By the way, first of all, I need to talk to you what about the quest. I have to say that Binance Binance is already confirmed this airdrop. If you see on the site, if you go on the site on the Binance site, you will see the Grass confirmed airdrop for Sol. Grass is a new crypto AI on the blockchain Solana ecosystem. Deadline 5 days. This is your last chance to participate in the airdrop. First of all, you have to know that you can earn 1,000 dollars and $4,000, between $1,000 and $4,000. You have to follow the step-by-step guide below. You have to the guide that I will say. So for airdrop grace point system, you have to know that you can earn points. You earn points for free. Points are traded on the OTC market. Currently, 1 point means a $10 point 25 dollars. Okay, Grass is a project that raised. Okay, the Waze project I will make $44.5 million from Polychain and others. Grass will allow you to sell your view of the internet companies that are carefully vetted by Y Network. With Grass, you can earn Grass point, eventually converted into a stake in the network. Remember that this crypto is launched on Solana network. Um, you know yet that Solana network is a big blockchain. Solana had made many things in the market. Goes up to 0.3% of your bandwidth, so it won't affect your internet speed. It operates when you are not using your full bandwidth. Internet bandwidth is needed by commercial business in a huge number of industries. But more and more, the answer is AI labs. Okay, you have to know about this project. Um, you have to know about this project. Okay, every project in the blockchain, every crypto project has a reason why he exists. Grass um will allow you to sell your view. You're gonna be able to sell your view on the internet to companies that are carefully vetted by Wind Network. It's a very good mission, guys. It's a very good project. You can sell your view in the internet to companies. That's very interesting. That's very important. So, uh, so when you have these opportunities, you don't have to play with. Okay, you have to play with, because that's very important. Grass Airdrop. Grass is a network sharing application that allows users to sell their own user bandwidth. For existing Existing network are operated by explorative made men who extract value from the parties exchanges resources. Grass is an equitable solution, which both sides have an active stake in the network. He has raised a total of $4.5 million from investors like Polychain Capital and Tribe Capital and has confirmed to launch a governance token in the future. Okay, guys, they've introduced a point system in which those who sign up inside the extension and one grass will earn points. Step by step guide. First of all, you have to visit the site. You have to visit the site app point getgrass.io. Register. When you register, you're gonna put your email here and your username. You have to choose or create a username. After that, you have to create the password and confirm the password. This is your referral code. Okay, you don't have to erase this. You have to leave that. Okay, and I agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you have to confirm that you are not a robot. Okay, and after you click on register button. That's very important. You can have some information about their site. Okay, guys, about the site. Waste, earn and stake. You will earn and you can stake your money for interest. Earn a stake in the AI revolution. Get paid, you own the internet. That's very important, guys. As you can see, there are yet 1.9 million people that active on this site. As you can see, this is the dashboard after signing up. This is your dashboard. Earning statistic, earning points, lifetime earning 404.104. You can download the Grass application. You can open the dashboard. Okay, look, all you have to do is create an account with your email, your username. You create a username, enter your password and confirm the password. That's very important, guys. That's very important. Okay, you have to submit your details and sign up. You will need an invite code like I show you to be able to sign up. Without this invite code, you will not be able to sign up. You can search on the internet, or I can leave an invite code for you at the description. Now log in and click on connect to download their extension. These guys have an extension. Install the extension and log in with the same credential. Once you are connected, you will start earning grass points. You will earn points while browsing the internet. Grass enables you to earn passive income by selling your unused bandwidth while keeping your privacy intact. Also get 20% of the referred friends point, 10% from the secondary referees point, and 5% from tertiary referees point. The referral will be considered successful only if the referred user has a minimum uptime of 100 hours on Grace. That's very important to remember. They confirmed to launch a governance token in the future, so users who earn points may be able to convert the point into their tokens when the tokens goes live. Actually, The token is not live. The token is not live. So you have a chance, you have a big chance to start it, to start earning point on Grass site, okay? On Grass apps. Block games. Block games is a cross game decentralized player network accelerating users' growth for games to an ever expanding universe for fun. You can create an account, like I show you. Okay, create the account like I show you. Okay, this is an example. Keep running in the background to earn, even if you make something else, you can still earn point. Keep track on your earnings. You make your other work on the internet. Must you earn point. That's very interesting, important, for you guys. So good opportunity for you. That's a good opportunity for you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I see you next day. See you soon. Talk to you soon. But if you want to have a referral link, say it in the comment. Why in the comment? I need a referral code, a referral link. I will give you guys, but you have to comment on the comment section. I need a comment. I need a link for registration. Thank you guys. See you soon.